Good morning, students. So, today we are going to learn about the uh, conversion of a decimal number into binary number or conversion of binary number into decimal number. So, in previous lecture, we have learned about what are the different number system, decimal number system, binary number system. Okay, now we are going to conversion from one number system to another number system conversion that we are going to learn. So in today's this video lecture, we are going to learn how we can convert a decimal number into binary number or how you can convert binary number into a decimal number. So let's start now. So first we have to convert this any decimal number into its binary number. Decimal number means the number which contains the digit from 0 to 9, and binary means it consists of only two digits, 0 and 1. Okay, so the what is the method for conversion this decimal number to binary number? The method is known as your double double method. Okay, so first we are going to learn only for the integers. That means we have to convert, suppose the decimal number is 34. Okay, we are not taking fraction. Fraction means 34 point something something is there, that we are not going to learn here. We are going to learn only here integers are there: 34, 35, 56, 58. So only first we will learn about how to convert a integer in decimal to binary conversion. So what is the method? So first step is, what we have to do is, in first step, divide a given decimal number by 2, which is the base of a binary number. That means whichever the decimal number is given for to you for conversion, first divide that number by 2. Why you have taken by 2? Why you have to divide it by 2? Because we have to convert it into the binary number. And what is the base of the binary number? 2. Binary number has base 2, that's why it is divided by the 2. Okay, so what is the simple, what is the first step? Divide a given decimal number by 2. Okay, then what we have to do is write quotient and remainder separately. That means write a quotient at one place and remainder at one place. Okay, क्या करना है अपने को? फर्स्ट जो भी डेसिमल नंबर रहेगा उसको 2 से डिवाइड करना है। डिवाइड करने के बाद क्वोशंट जो रहेगा उसको अलग लिखना है और जो भी रिमाइंडर है उसको अलग लिखना है। राइट क्वोशंट एंड रिमाइंडर सेपरेटली. The remainder is obtained from the step 1 is the least significant bit. Okay, so जो भी रिमाइंडर अपने को मिलेगा कहाँ से? डिवाइड करने के 2 से डिवाइड करने के बाद पहले स्टेप में वो रहेगा अपना सबसे लास्ट डिजिट किसका? बाइनरी नंबर का. ओके, so which is obtained is the least significant bit of the binary number. So in this way, and the quotient which is obtained. Okay, next क्या करना है अपने को? फिर डिवाइड द क्वोशंट. जो भी क्वोशंट स्टेप 1 में से आएगा उसको अगेन डिवाइड करना है. डिवाइड अगेन द क्वोशंट विच इज ऑब्टेन्ड फ्रॉम द स्टेप 2. ओके, जो अपन ने सेपरेट लिया था क्वोशंट और रिमाइंडर, उसको फिर से डिवाइड करना है 2 से, एंड द रिमाइंडर इज ऑब्टेन्ड इज द सेकंड लास्ट सिग्निफिकेंट बिट. फिर उसके बाद का जो बाइनरी नंबर आएगा वो रिमाइंडर में से वो आएगा अपना. ठीक है, सो फोर्थ स्टेप इज रिपीट द प्रोसेस अंटिल क्वोशंट रिमेन्स 0. ये अपने को कब तक उसको 2 से डिवाइड करना है? जब तक अपना क्वोशंट क्या नहीं आ जाता? 0 नहीं आ जाता. Repeat the process until the quotient remains 0. Means we have to repeat this process जब till the quotient remains 0, मतलब जब तक क्वोशंट 0 नहीं आता है तब तक अपने को वो प्रोसेस कंप्लीट करना है. नेक्स्ट इज when the quotient is 0. what is the fifth state? The last remainder obtained. मतलब जब क्वोशंट 0 आएगा उस वक्त जो रिमाइंडर रहेगा, when the quotient remains 0, the last remainder obtained from the division is the most significant bit of the binary number. मतलब जो लास्ट वाला जो रिमाइंडर रहेगा वो रहेगा अपना फर्स्ट डिजिट बाइनरी नंबर का. ओके, सो लास्ट में क्या करना है? देन हेंस अरेंज द नंबर फ्रॉम मोस्ट सिग्निफिकेंट बिट टू द लीस्ट सिग्निफिकेंट बिट. फिर वी हैव टू राइट द नंबर्स फ्रॉम मोस्ट significant bit to the least significant bit. That means we have to write the numbers from, मतलब आपको मोस्ट सिग्निफिकेंट बीट से लेके लीस्ट सिग्निफिकेंट बीट तक नंबर लिखते जाना है. एंड दैट मीन्स अगर अपन जैसे जैसे डिवाइड करते जाएंगे तो पहले बॉटम का नंबर आएगा और बाद में टॉप वाला नंबर आएगा. सो दीज आर द स्टेप्स. Now you are getting somewhat confused. We will take one example, then you will can understand it. Okay, step by step. So these are the steps to convert that binary decimal number into the binary number. Okay, let's take one example, then everything will be clear. So what is the example? Here we have to convert a decimal number 30. Okay, we have to convert this 30 decimal number into which number? Into a corresponding binary number. So what is the first step? What we have to do is we have to convert this 13 into the binary number. So what is the step? First, divide a given decimal number by 2. That means we have to divide this 30 by 2. So what is 30 divided by 2? 30 divided by 2 means 15. Okay. So this 15 is a your quotient. 30 को अगर 2 से डिवाइड करते हैं तो क्या मिलेगा अपने को? 50 मिलेगा. ये क्या हो गया अपना क्वोशंट. एंड व्हाट इज द रिमाइंडर? ये तो कंप्लीट डिवीजन है 15. सो द रिमाइंडर इज 0. ओके. सो फर्स्ट स्टेप व्हाट वी हैव टू डू, व्हाट वी हैव डन इज we have divided 30 with the 2. We will get quotient 15 and remainder 0. So that is your first step. Then what we have to do is then write quotient and remainder separately. Okay, and the remainder which is obtained from step 1 is the least significant bit. मतलब इसको डिवाइड करने के बाद 30 को डिवाइड करने के बाद अपने को क्या मिला? 15. ये हो गया अपना क्वोशंट और ये हो गया अपना रिमाइंडर. तो ये रिमाइंडर हो गया अपना लीस्ट सिग्निफिकेंट बिट. ओके, हियर now simple. First, what we have to do? We have to divide given decimal number by 2. We will get quotient and we will get the remainder. Next, in next step, what we have to do is next step we have to divide this quotient with a 2. अभी इस क्वेश्चन को क्या करना है अपने को? फिर से 2 से डिवाइड करना है. कितना आएगा उसका डिवीजन? 2. और रिमाइंडर क्या रहेगा? 1. ओके, सिंपल. What is the division of 50 divided by 2? Okay, if you I take use the pointer now, we'll take the colors different so that you will not get confused. Suppose if I have to divide, suppose if I have to divide 15 divided by 2. So what is 15 divided by 2? 7 to the 14. So this is the 14. Then 15 minus 14 means there will be the quotient of 1, remainder of 1. So this is your remainder and this one 7 is your quotient. Okay, this is the quotient and this one is your remainder. So now write quotient 7 differently and remainder differently, and we'll take use the pointer. Observe that here when you divide this 2 with the 15, we will get 7 is a quotient and remainder is 1. So 15 divided by 2 will get 7 is a quotient and remainder is the 1. Then again this 7 is how many times we have to repeat this process till we get quotient 0. Then again divide 7 with the 2, we will get 3 as a quotient and remainder is 1. Okay, because 3 to the 6, here there will be 7, 2, here it will be 2, then we will get this remainder will be 1 and quotient. Now again divide 3 with the 2, we will get quotient 1 and remainder will be 1. Then again divide 1 with a 2 and we will get quotient 0 and remainder will be 1. Okay, it is simple. Go on doing this till we will get the, जब तक अपने को क्वेश्चन 0 नहीं आता है तब तक वो अपने को वो प्रोसेस कंटिन्यू करना है. एंड देन हाउ टू राइट द बाइनरी नंबर? राइट द बाइनरी नंबर फ्रॉम बॉटम टू द टॉप. मतलब जब क्वेश्चन 0 आएगा उस वक्त जो रिमाइंडर आएगा वो रहेगा आपका मोस्ट सिग्निफिकेंट बिट. इसीलिए आपको कहाँ से लिखना है? नंबर लिखते वक्त बॉटम से अपवर्ड के डायरेक्शन में नंबर लिखना है, बाइनरी नंबर. सो व्हाट इज द बाइनरी नंबर? 1. So 1 1 1 1 0. So 1 110. So that is the binary number corresponding to the decimal number 30. अगर 30 को अपन बाइनरी में कन्वर्ट करते हैं तो क्या आएगा नंबर 111, 4 times 1 and 0. और कैसे लिखना है नंबर while writing the number from bottom to top. Okay, so this is about your conversion for decimal number to the binary number. We'll take one example also. So here observe that here what you have to do is you have to convert a decimal number 56 into binary number. Okay, listen carefully now. Here first what we have to do, we have to divide this 56 by 2. What if I divide the 56 by 2? It is a complete division, it will gives you 28. 28 to the 56. Okay, so remainder will be 0, so we'll get 28 as a quotient and remainder is 0. Then divide 28 by with the 2. 28 divided by 2 means it will give you 14. And what is the remainder? 0. Then now divide the 14 with the 2. Okay, 14 divided by 2 means it will give you 7. It is a complete division, so remainder is 0. Next divide the 7 with the 2. 7 divided by 2. Okay, so you will understand this. uh, right here, suppose if I divide here, if I divide here 2, 7 divided by 2, this will gives you 7 2 7 3 are 6. Okay, so there will be a 1 is the remainder here. 1 is the remainder, this 1 is remainder, and this 3 is your quotient. This is the quotient, and this one is your remainder. Okay, and this one is your quotient. So now this, if you take the laser pointer here, observe that if you divide the 7 by 2, here we will get 3 as a quotient and 1 as the remainder. Similarly, same process is you have to do. Now this 3 is to be divided by 3 divided by 2. Here 7 will be replaced with the 3. 3 divided by 2 means it will be 1, 3 2, and remainder will be 1. Then again 1 divided by 2. If you divide 1 with the 2, will get quotient 0 and remainder will be 1. So this now your process are over because we will get the quotient 0. मतलब quotient यहाँ पे 0 आ गया है, मतलब आपका यहाँ पे प्रोसेस स्टॉप हो गया. फिर बाइनरी नंबर कैसे लिखना है, वी हैव टू राइट द बाइनरी नंबर फ्रॉम बॉटम टू टॉप. मतलब जो बॉटम का जो नंबर रहेगा वो रहेगा मोस्ट सिग्निफिकेंट बीट, लास्ट वाला. सो व्हाट इज योर बाइनरी नंबर? 1 1 1 0 0 0. So what is the 56 number corresponding binary number? The 56 number corresponding binary number is 1 1 1 0 0 0. Here basis 2 means binary number. So that is the conversion of a 56 binary number, 56 decimal number into a corresponding binary number. You can try it yourself with a 64. This is the interesting one. You can try for 64 or you and try for 128. Okay, so in this way we have to convert a binary number into decimal number. Simple. What we have to do is first divide a given decimal number by 2. Write quotient and remainder separately. The remainder from the first step is your least significant bit. Then divide the quotient, जो भी quotient आएगा उसको divide करना है by 2 से. और कब तक करना है अपने को, और रिमाइंडर लेना है सेपरेटली और क्वेश्चन लेना है सेपरेटली. और ये प्रोसेस कब ना, रिपीट द प्रोसेस अंटिल क्वेश्चन रिमेन्स 0. ये प्रोसेस अपने को जब तक क्वेश्चन 0 नहीं आता है तब तक करना है. और हाउ टू राइट द नंबर फ्रॉम बॉटम टू टॉप, बॉटम से लेके टॉप तक, ये इंपॉर्टेंट है. राइट द नंबर फ्रॉम बॉटम टू टॉप. जो बॉटम में से नंबर आएगा वो पहला आएगा और उसके बाद में जो नंबर आएंगे, और टॉप वाला जो नंबर आएगा वो लास्ट में आएगा. So this is the process for conversion of decimal number into binary number, but this is for only integer. Here I have taken only 30, 56, मतलब decimal point के आगे कोई number नहीं है. Okay, so now we are going to learn how to convert a fractional number. How to convert a fraction number, or the numbers means, suppose if you have to convert, if you have to convert, suppose you have to convert 0 point, 0 point it is there, 0.46 is there. Okay, So sorry, 1 minute. If you have to convert 0.46, 0.46, that we have to convert. So this 0.46, here it is in fraction because it is 0 point. So if we have to convert such a fraction numbers into binary number, then the process is different. Okay, different means there is a multiplication. So what we have to do is multiply the given decimal fraction. जो भी fraction का number रहेगा उसको 2 से multiply करना है, और 2 से multiply करने के बाद उसको जैसा वो कितने पार्ट्स में आता है, 1 पॉइंट आता है तो 1 सेपरेट लिखना है, और पॉइंट के बाद में जो भी जो फ्रैक्शनल पार्ट आएगा उसको अलग लिखना है. सो प्रोड्यूसिंग द फ्रैक्शनल पार्ट एंड इंटीजर पार्ट. द इंटीजर इन स्टेप 1, जो भी इंटीजर रहेगा उसमें 1 पॉइंट आ गया तो जो 1 पॉइंट और 0 पॉइंट जो आएगा, सो दैट इंटीजर इन स्टेप 1 इज द मोस्ट सिग्निफिकेंट बिट. वो जो रहेगा इंटीजर पहले स्टेप में का, वो आपका फर्स्ट नंबर है बाइनरी नंबर का, फ्रैक्शन में वाला, ठीक है. एंड जो भी रिमेनिंग फ्रैक्शन रहेगा, मल्टीप्लाई द रिमेनिंग फ्रैक्शन बाय 2, उसको फिर से 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करना है. ओके, फिर वो क्या प्रोड्यूस करेगा, फ्रैक्शनल और इंटीजर करेगा. फिर इंटीजर लेना है और फिर फ्रैक्शनल को 2 से मल्टीप्लाई, मतलब रिपीट द प्रोसेस अंटिल डेसिमल फ्रैक्शन इज 0. ये कब तक करना है, जब तक डेसिमल फ्रैक्शन 0 हो नहीं जाता, या अपने को डेसिमल पॉइंट के बाद 4 बाइनरी बिट जनरली चाहिए. तो रिक्वायर्ड बाइनरी बिट जब तक 4 मिल नहीं जाते तब तक अपन करके उसको स्टॉप कर सकते हैं. ओके, so we have to repeat this process up to decimal fraction is 0 or till we get the required 4 binary bits. Okay, so जो भी लास्ट वाला अपना बाइनरी नंबर रहेगा वो होगा अपना लिस्ट सिग्निफिकेंट बिट. और इसमें व्हाट वी हैव टू डू इज, हियर वी हैव टू टेक द नंबर फ्रॉम टॉप टू बॉटम, मतलब ऊपर वाला नंबर फर्स्ट लेना है अपने को और बॉटम वाला नंबर लास्ट. सो from most significant bit to the least significant, means arrange the number from most significant bit to the least significant bit. So we'll take one example, then the ideas will get clear. Okay, so here what we have to do, we have to convert this 0.83, this decimal number, into its corresponding binary number. मतलब अपने को 0.83 को binary में convert करना है. What is the first step? We have to multiply it with a 2. So 0.83 into 2. What is the multiplication? 1.66. तो इसमें 1.66 में 1 इंटीजर है और 0.66 क्या है, फ्रैक्शन है. तो ये 0.66 इधर आएगा और 1 इधर चला जाएगा. So when you multiply 0.83 into 2, what is the first step? Multiply the given decimal fraction by 2. Multiply किया अपन ने 2 से, it will gives you 1.16, 1.66. So 1 is your integer with a carry, यहाँ पे लिखना है उसको 1 को. ये हो गया अपना most significant bit. And then what is the remaining fraction? 0.66. That 0.66 we have to take here. Then again multiply it the 2. 0.66 into 2 means 1.32. Then what we'll get, we'll get 1 point. So 1 is the integer, and what is the decimal fraction? 0.32. So 0.32 will be here, 1 will be here. So with the carry 1 and remaining decimal fraction is 0.32. फिर इस ये 0.32 को फिर से 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करना है. ओके, सो मल्टीप्लाई 0.32 with the 2, you will get 0.64. Now observe here, there is a no integer. Okay, 1 point, it is 0 point, so take this 0 here. And what is the fraction? 0.64. Take 0.64 here, then multiply by 2, you will get 1.28. So take this one here, and what is the remaining fraction? 0.28. So 0.28 will be there and multiply by 2. But we will get 4 binary bits here, मतलब 4 binary bits अपने आ गए. So this is sufficient, you can stop the process here. Okay, so if you want to continue, you can continue till it will get 0, but it will take so much number. So generally after 4 decimal binary numbers you can stop. So now, so what is your last binary number? So this is 1. Now while writing the binary number for fraction, starts from top, means ऊपर से नीचे number लिखना है आपने. We have to write the number from, then first number is 1, second number is 1, third number is 0, fourth number is 0. So what is the conversion of 0.83 into binary number? 0.83 will be converted into 0.1101. So start convert from up to down, 1101. Okay, so that is the conversion of a fractional decimal number into corresponding binary number. Now you are understood. Now here we will going to convert a complete the integer for fractional number into binary number. So let us see how to convert 44.24 into its corresponding binary number. So 44, what we have to do is first 44 divided by 2. 44 को 2 से डिवाइड करना है, कितना आएगा 22. व्हाट इज द रिमाइंडर 0. 22 डिवाइडेड बाय 2 11 इज द क्वोशंट. व्हाट इज द रिमाइंडर 0. कंप्लीट डिवीजन है. So 11 divided by 2, what is the quotient 5. What is the remainder 5 means there will be the remainder is 1. Then 5 divided by 2. 5 divided by 2 means quotient will be 2 and remainder will be 1. Okay, then 2 is the quotient, divided 2 by 2 means quotient is 1 and remainder will be 0. Then again this quotient 1 is divided by 2. 1 divided by 2 will get 0. We have to continue this process till this quotient is 0. Here quotient is 0 means process is stopped now here. 1 divided by 2, quotient is 0 and remainder is 1. Now write the number from bottom to up. Write the number from bottom to up. So first write the number 1 0 1 1 0 0. So this is the 1 0 1 1 0 0. This is the number before the decimal point. Now for after decimal point, how which is the number 0.24. So use this step here. 0.24 into 2 0.48. So 0.48 will be there. There is a integer 0, so this will be give on this side. Then 0.48 into 2 0.96. So 0 will be goes here, 0.96 will be here. 0.92 into 2 1.92. Here what is the integer here? 1 will be here. So remaining fraction is 0.92 will be here. 0.92 into 2 1.84. So 1 will be here, 0.82 will be go there. How many binary bits are there? 4 binary bits are obtained here. Now write the binary number. फ्रैक्शन के लिए कहाँ से लिखना है नंबर? अप से. So binary numbers will be 0 0 1 1. So this will be 0.0011. So this 44.24 will be converted into 101100.0011. Okay, so in this way we have converted the decimal number which is in the form of integer as well as fraction into its corresponding binary number. So try the different numbers to yourself and try to convert that number into decimal number into that particular binary number. And next is we are going to learn how to convert a binary number into decimal number. It is completely easy. Suppose this is your binary number. Only what we have to do, we have to multiply it with corresponding base power. मतलब उसके बेस के पावर से मल्टीप्लाई करना है. सो दिस इज द फर्स्ट, इट हैज अ 2 raised to the power 0, 2 raised to the power 1, multiply this digit with the 2 raised to the power 0, this with the 2 raised to the power 1, this with the 2 raised to the power 2, this with the 2 raised to the power 3, this with the 2 raised to the power 4. Then by multiplying this number, then add that numbers. उन सभी को फिर क्या करना है, अपने को ऐड करना है. And after the fraction, this is 1 1, its corresponding is 2 raised to the power minus 1. So 1 divided by 2 raised to the power minus means 1 by 2. 0 into 2 raised to the power minus 2, 2 raised to the power minus 2, 1 divided by 2 by 2 मतलब 1 by 4, 1 by 4 मतलब ये इसको फ्रैक्शन में करना है. 1 into 2 raised to the power minus 3. So सिंपली उसका जो नंबर बाइनरी नंबर है उसके करस्पॉन्डिंग पावर 2 के पावर में उसको मल्टीप्लाई करके उसको ऐड करना है. So to convert binary to decimal, every number is multiplied by its proper weightage, that is the power of 2, and then all terms will get added. So what is this? First number is 1 into 2 raised to the power 4. 2 raised to the power 4 means 16. 16 into 1, 16 here. 2 raised to the power 3 means 8. 8 into 1 means 8 here. 2 raised to the power 2 means 4. But any quantity multiplied by 0 means 0. There will be no number here. So here 2 raised to the power 1. 2 raised to the power 1 means 2. 2 into 0, 0. So there will be also no number. So 2 raised to the 2 raised to the power 0. Any quantity raised to the power 0 means 1. 1 into 1 means 1. So that's why 1 is there. Now after fraction, 1 into 2 raised to the power minus 1. 2 raised to the power minus 1 will, that means it will be 1 by 2. Okay. So if you take this as a, this will be your 1 by 2. 1 by 2 with that will be, okay. So 1 by 2 means 0 0.5. Okay. And this will be your 1 by 1 divided by 2 raised to the power 2. 2 raised to the power 2 means 1 by 4 here, right? And this will be your 1 by 2 raised to the power 3 means 8. This will be 1 by 8. So here use pointer now. So 2 raised to the power minus 1. 2 raised to the power minus 1. 1 means 1 by 2. 1 by 2 means 0 0.5. So 1 into 0 0.5. Here 0 0.5. Here 2 raised to the power 2 minus 2 there. Means it is 1 by 2 raised to the power 2 means 1 by 4. 1 by 4. But it is multiplied with a 0. So that total quantity will be 0. Here 2 raised to the power minus 3. 2 raised to the power minus 3 means 8. So it is 1 by 8. 1 by 8 into 1. So what is 1 by 8? 1 by 8 means 0 0.125. 0 0.125 into 1 means 0 0.125. So this will first, this will give you 16, then we'll get 8, 1, 0 0.5, 0 0.125. So we have to add all these quantities. We'll get the value 25 point. So 16 plus this 8 plus 9. See, this will be 25, 25.5, and this 1.25, 25.625. So in this way, we have to convert this decimal number into its correspond binary number into its corresponding decimal number. It is completely easy, binary to decimal. Well, simply we have to multiply these binary numbers with their corresponding power, and then we have to add. Our number obtained is your decimal number. So this is the number which we have learned. Same here it is also. So this one is conversion. You can try with another number also. Let's take, if you take the example, I here there will be no laser pointer. If you convert, suppose number 1001 into its corresponding number, so this one has the power 2 raised to the power 0. This has the power 2 raised to the power 1. This has the power 2 raised to the power 2. This has the power 2 raised to the power 3. So first we'll take 1 into 2 raised to the power 3 plus 0 into 2 raised to the power 2, then 0 into 2 raised to the power 1 plus 1 into 2 raised to the power 0. So this will be gives you, this term will gives you 8. 2 raised to the 2 का cube कितना आता है 8. 8 into 1 8. This will be gives you 0. Second term will use you 0, and 2 raised to the power 0 means 1. Any quantity raised to power 0. 1 into 1 1. So this is corresponding to your 9. So that means this number, this number, which number, 1011 in a binary, this is corresponding to the number 9. Okay. So you can say that, so in this way, so this 1001 which is in a binary, it is corresponding to the number 9 which is in a decimal. So this is the your answer. Okay. So conversion of your that decimal number into the binary number. So this 1001 corresponding binary number will be equivalent to the decimal number 9. So in this way we have to convert the binary number into decimal number. So binary number to decimal is very simple. Only you have to multiply its to corresponding power, and then we have to add it. And here it is important how to convert that decimal number into binary number. So first, if the number is integer, divide with the 2, take quotient separate and remainder, carry out the process till you will get the quotient 0, and while writing the number, write the number from bottom to top, bottom से लेके top में number लिखना है. अगर fraction में number है, if the number is in fraction, then only multiply it with the 2, 2 से multiply करना है till we will get the 4 binary number, जब तक अपने को 4 binary नए number मिलते तब तक. And number कैसे लिखना है, you have to write the number from top to bottom, मतलब ऊपर से नीचे लिखना है. सिर्फ इसमें फर्क, दोनों में डिफरेंस ये है कि दो इंटीजर में नंबर बॉटम से और टॉप लिखना है, और फ्रैक्शन में नंबर टॉप से बॉटम तक लिखना है. So this is the conversion about your binary number to the decimal number. In next lecture, we are going to learn how to convert a decimal number or this octal number into binary number, और binary to octal, मतलब octal number system का conversion binary में और binary का octal में, that we are going to learn. So thank you. We will stop now.